If we go and ask the molecule silver nitrate here, are you guys comfortable being reacted together over here? Are you comfortable? Do you want to be reacted over here together, the two of you? No, not really. How are you guys? Potassium chromate, are you guys comfortable being reacted together over here? I don't want to embarrass the guy, but I'd rather not. Right, so we have a situation that happens all the time in chemistry. We have a group of atoms here and a group of atoms here, and they form a molecule. And that molecule is kind of stable. It's kind of okay, but it really would rather be something else. So let's let it be something else. Let's let these two chemicals react together and see if we can make something entirely new. And what I'd like Mr. Silver and Miss Potassium, will the two of you just trade places, please? Just switch. Now this is called, in chemistry, this is called a double displacement or double substitution reaction. And you can understand why. We took one atom, silver, from this molecule here, one atom, potassium, from this molecule here, and they just traded places. They just substituted with one another. And now, we do have two new materials, something entirely new. Instead of having potassium chromate over here, we now have silver chromate. And are you two guys a little bit more comfortable being together than you were before with the girls? A little bit more comfortable? Yeah, I mean, you can go play some video games or something now, right? Excellent. And over here, instead of having silver nitrate, we now have potassium nitrate. And ladies, you a little more comfortable over here together? Yeah, way more comfortable than they were before. Absolutely. By doing a double substitution reaction, just trading two atoms, one from each, we have made some things entirely new, and they're more comfortable, more stable molecules than what they were before. Watch this, because this is the actual chemical reaction that you just saw with our volunteers. It wouldn't be a chemistry show if I didn't have a test tube, right? So let's start by adding potassium chromate, a yellow liquid, to my test tube. Just like that. And to help you guys to see it, I'm going to hold a white background. Can you see that yellow color there? Okay? I know some of you who are closer will be able to see it a little bit better, but that's all right. You'll be able to see everything in just a second. I'm now going to add silver nitrate, which is a kind of clear, almost smoky colored liquid. And when I add the clear, smoky colored liquid to the yellow liquid, the potassium chromate, we're going to get our double substitution reaction. And watch how things entirely change. You ready? On the count of three, let me back up here so you guys can see too. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Now you can see that change, right? What do I have now? I had a yellow liquid, I added a clear liquid, and now what do I have? I have a red liquid, and it looks like what? Blood, doesn't it? It looks like a red liquid, but you know what? I just fooled you guys. This isn't a red liquid. This is really quite a change. I took a yellow liquid, added the clear liquid, and I don't have a red liquid. The red that you see here are actually small little pieces, solid particles of something entirely new, a chemical called silver chromate. And the silver chromate is falling, sinking right now to the very, very bottom of this test tube. It's called precipitation. This is a precipitation reaction. And if I wanted to collect that silver chromate red chemical that's falling to the bottom, here, look, if you just look at the test tube, can you notice that it's a little bit darker red at the bottom than it is at the top? Can you see that already happening? A little bit darker red at the bottom than it is at the top? That's because this red silver chromate is sinking or precipitating to the bottom. If I want to collect this, I can do it kind of like like when you make coffee in the morning. I can take a piece of filter paper, I can pour everything in this test tube out. The liquid that will drip through will be a new chemical, potassium nitrate, and it's clear.